Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell and convert your Paws token on Bybit exchange. So in less than 3 hours Paws will be listed. So what you have to do next for you to go over to trade, and over to trade you're going to see BTC/USDT. Let me go over to it. And what you have to do next for you to type in Paws, in case you can't see it over here. Let me go over and type in Paws, and this is it, and it's showing listing countdown. Yes, it's going to be listed very soon. Paws is showing countdown and they're not showing where you can buy and sell. So let me use BTC as an example. As for example, now this BTC is Paws, yes, and you want to sell it, it's going to be Paws/USDT, not BTC. This is an example because Paws is not showing this particular thing, buy and sell. So what you have to do next for you to go over to sell, and over here you're going to see limit. Let me go over to limit, and what you have to do next, you have to put it on market since you are going to sell it. Let me put it on market, and over here you're going to put the quantity which you want to sell, the quantity of Paws, the quantity of your token which you want to sell. Let me put 100. And over this side you can also slide it to the quantity and the percentage you want, either 100% or 50%, whatever one you want to do. And when you are done with that, remember I'm using BTC as an example. What is supposed to be here is Paws, since Paws is still counting down, so it's not showing buy and sell. So I'm using BTC/USDT as an example. So when you are done filling all what is required here, what you have to do is for you to go over to sell. You going over to sell, Bybit are going to send you an email. So what you have to do next for you to go over to your email, and you're going to see a code. You just have to go and copy the codes and come over to Bybit to paste it there. You can come over, or you can type it or paste it. And when you are done with that, you can go over to send. Then when you go over to send, then you'll be able to sell your Paws token on Bybit. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.